Boom! One of the surprise phone for this year is the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. With a major price up sa kanyang starting variant compared sa kanyang Camon 30 Pro 5G last year, this phone is set to turn your head. But kung nga ba nasabi yun? It's equipped with the Sony LYT700C sensor. Better ang kanyang design. Curved screen display, 144Hz screen refresh rate, plus more better user experience. Malalaman natin right after this quick intro. Now, to si Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G would come in two variants. 8256 na configuration would be selling at 12,999 and ang kanyang 12256 variant would be selling at 14,999. Mas naging affordable ang kanyang base variant compared sa 30 Pro 5G last year. And kung gusto niyo malaman kung saan niyo pwede mabili ito, I'll post everything on the description box below. And good news, meron sa ongoing promotion, 500 pesos off and 0% interest if you purchase using home credit. And if you pre-order offline, makakuha ka na as much as 2,000 pesos off using home credit. More details on the description. Now, one of the good things dito sa kanya is mas numipis siya this time around. Compared sa kanyang last year na design, this one is a lot slimmer. And mas naging magaan siya. Last year, 189 grams. This year, 179 grams na lang siya. I like yung kanyang design. It's very unique on its own. Nakita mo, parang meron siyang contour dito na nakaumbok ka. And it's a unibody, by the way. Sarap ng feel niya dito sa likod and it feels premium naman. Matte finish siya sa likod and parang may graphite na feel. So, magandang grip for sure. Yung kanyang gilid is shiny, so expect fingerprint smudges. And meron siyang special na dedicated AI button dito which can also be used as a camera button shutter. Ganito mo siya gagamitin. Definitely, hindi ganun kasi maharangan mo yung mga camera lenses dito. And this time around, curved screen na rin siya, so it might not favor everybody. May mga taong gusto sa curved screen at may mga taong ayaw sa curved screen. This year, ginamit ni Tecno dito sa kanyang Pro variant is the Dimensity 7300. And probably yun ang ginawa ni Tecno para medyo mas makatipid sila sa cost para mas maging mura ang introductory price niya. And sa totoo lang, si Camon series is more of the camera experience more than yung gaming experience. Ito ang nakuha kong score nga pala sa Antutu benchmark and ito ang kanyang breakdown score. 873 ang kanyang loop score sa Wildlife Extreme and 99% stability. Ito score nakuha ko sa CPU benchmarking na Geekbench. Ito naman sa kanyang GPU benchmark. Looking okay naman kanyang thermals and throttle to 81% na kanyang best performance. Another good news na nakuha ko for this phone is that this one would come with 3 major Android OS updates. So since this is running on Android 15, you should be updated up to Android version 18. By the way guys, ang battery nito is a 5,200 mAh na battery which can support up to 45 watts na fast charging. Honestly, one of the promises ni Tecno is a 5 years battery durability, which yet honestly remains to be seen after 5 years kung talagang tatanga nga ba siya ng 5 years o wala pang 5 years, wala na, mahina na yung battery. But it's definitely a good move for Tecno. Pagdating naman sa battery endurance, honestly, okay. Kayang-kaya na magtagal ng 1 whole day, walang problema as long as you're using it normally, walang heavy gaming, walang video recording na heavy. And nung sinalang ko to sa battery stress test ng PC Mark, ganda ng score na nakuha ko at a 13 hours and a half na screen on time. This is based on 50% brightness and 60 Hz na screen refresh rate. Now, right now, pag-usapan muna natin kanyang display. This one has a 6.78-inch na AMOLED display with up to 144Hz screen refresh rate. Meron siya 90% na screen-to-body ratio and it's being protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass 7i. Now, honestly, kung nagbabrowse ka naman sa social media dito, expect mo to give you a really good experience. Swiping on your favorite socials is Going to be smooth and buttery smooth naman. As long as you have a really good internet connection, swiping dito talagang mag-enjoy ka. And if you're watching your favorite shows naman dito, be it a basketball game, Korean novela, or just simply watching some music video, okay, maganda ang reproduction na ng mga colors dito, and it will definitely give you a good immersive experience. Sabi ni Tecno, this one has Dolby Atmos sa dual stereo speakers. Gusto lang natin i-test kung gaano nga ba kalakas itong Dolby Atmos na ito. Sagad natin yung volume. Honestly, okay, malakas naman kanyang sound, pero syempre hindi aabot ng mga flagship level na sound, but for me, it's quite good. Listening to Spotify, mag-i-enjoy ka talaga sa kanyang loudspeaker. By the way, this phone has a IP68 and IP69 na dust and water resistance. But ako, personally, I'm against na ibabato na sa swimming pool or taking for underwater photography dahil it's not really meant to be that way. Para sa accidents, okay. Pero kung sasadyain mo, I'm warning you, any physical damage or water damage voids the warranty. A word of reminder from Gadget Sidekick. Na naglaro tayo ng tatlong game dito despite it's not really too much of a gaming phone, pero syempre gusto lang natin i-test out, pakita natin sa inyo kung anong capability kaya nito. So I did play Genshin Impact, Firelight 84, and Call of Duty Mobile. Pagdating sa Genshin Impact, I played a low graphical settings with a 60 FPS, and honestly, it was quite smooth. Didn't expect that it would be this smooth kasi halos wala akong masyado na feel na frame drops. Siguro dahil sa low settings, but honestly, I was able to enjoy. Dahil pa nag-clash ka on a certain point, kaya medyo marami kayo, hindi mo mafe-feel na maglalag yung game. I was quite surprised there. And honestly, magandang touch response dito sa phone. I was also surprised with that. And this sound was quite great. The gameplay is enjoyable kahit medyo low graphical settings. And pinakamainit na inabot niya is 44 degrees Celsius. Pagdating naman sa Firelight 84, nilagyan natin sa high frame rate at a balanced na graphics. Okay din ang kanang gameplay. This one gave me a really good satisfying experience. Honestly, I was expecting na medyo maglalag siya. Pero nung nilagay ko sa highest graphical settings, doon naglag siya. So, binaba ko siya sa balance. So, it was able to give me a way better na gameplay. To be honest with you, I was really surprised din na kaya naman niya i-handle dito sa Dimensity 7300. And I'm quite satisfied with the gameplay after an hour. Naglaro ako halos na 4 na rank matches dito sa kanya. One thing na napansin ko is hindi rin siya sobrang init. Pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile, sinet natin siya sa ultra na frame rate at a low graphical settings. Okay din siya. Was able to give me a really good experience. And the gameplay was really smooth. I would say that talagang smooth siya. Halos siguro kulang-kulang isa't kalating oras nilaro ko dito, mostly playing VR matches. And halos most of the games sa panalunan naman natin, it was quite smooth, magandang touch response, magandang sounds. I have really no problem with it. And by the way, pinagmamalaki ni Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G, yung kanyang Dimensity na 7300 Ultimate, kaya na magbigay ng 90 FPS sa PUBG. Guaranteed. Napag-usapan na natin kanyang camera. One of the key highlights dito sa Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G is yung kanyang AI feature. Meron siya auto snap, flash snap, and ang kanyang one-tap button, which definitely i-enhance yung user experience mo dito sa Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. Starting off with a 50MP na Sony LYT na 700C na may OIS, and it also comes together with a 8MP na ultra-wide lens. Pagdating sa video, it can let you shoot up to 4K and 30, and ang kanyang front-facing camera is a really nice na 50MP na camera sensor, which can let you shoot up to 4K and 30 FPS. Now, one of the good things dito sa Tecno Camon 40 Pro is meron siyang flash snap support. And ang ganda naman dito sa kanya is whenever you want to take a photo, labas mo lang, just whip it out of your pocket, press the flash snap button, and snap ka lang, no? And you'll be able to get some really fast snap on moving object. And just check out some of the samples na nakuha natin. So right now guys, check lang natin mga shots na nakuha natin from my Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G. Simulan muna natin with some outdoor shot. So medyo gloomy ang weather condition dito sa scene na ito. Pero I think itong camera was able to get a really nice snap dito sa tall building na ito. And kahit gloomy siya, medyo dramatic naman siyang tingnan. Equally nice din naman tong shot na ito kahit medyo gloomy. Eh makita mo na there's still a lot of details naman na na-preserve dito sa shot na ito. If you're just simply walking around, panning around, you'll be able to take some nice nice snap dito sa Camon 40 Pro 5G, and yung kanyang green is hindi saturated ng kanyang pagka-green. That's something that I admire from this camera. Now, taking some flower shot naman dito, makita mo magandang preserve ng kanyang mga details dito sa kanyang petal. And itong mga greens na ito is very natural lang tingnan. Quite nice and smooth sa aking mata. Now, kung tinatry mo ng kanyang ultra-wide lens, this is what you'll get. Normal shot and a 2x zoom shot. Quite okay pa rin ang details ng building nito after 2x zooming. And one thing to appreciate naman dito sa kanyang camera is that almost the same ang color ng kanyang color reproduction sa both ultra-wide and sa kanyang normal shot. And here's another flower na na-capture ko na I really appreciate, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-capture dito sa kanyang subject. And kahit i-zoom mo, no? Kitang-kita mo lahat ng details na gusto mong makita sa kanya. Taking some of this flower shot on outdoor, makita mo ang ganda ng mga details na makaka-capture mo sa kanya dito. Pati itong stargazer na ito, ang ganda rin kanyang pagkakuha. And some of this simple rows na kinuha natin looks quite good as well. Now, if you go indoor, low light, makaka-capture ka rin ng some nice details ng hamburger, mga sandwiches. Talagang okay na okay ang kanyang camera kahit sa food photography. Giving you even more food shot, talagang ma-enjoy mo mag-food photography on the Camon 40 Pro 5G. Kahit cake shot din, maganda rin kanyang pagkakuha. Na kung mga gowns naman ang kinukuha natin, okay din ang makukuha mo dito dahil maganda yung mga details na maprepreserve mo din kanya, pati mga beads. If you're trying to take sa mga may background lighting, okay na okay din ang kanyang pagkakuha dito sa mga photos na ito. Pati itong simple shot na ito, no, ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-capture and blurring it all the way to the background. Now, syempre, hindi mawawala ang AI Studio dito sa Camon 40 Pro 5G. All you need to do is just simply tap AI Studio. You can use yung AI eraser niya. You can circle to select. Ito, select mo lang to. Kung gusto mo yung erase, start to erase. Antay mo na siya matapos, no? Makita mo, mawawala na lang basta-basta yung next jar sa tabi nitong subject natin. Ayun guys, so in a snap of a finger, ayun, wala na. Ang linis ng kanyang pagka-erase. Except that yung shadow lang dito sa ilalim, yung reflection, nandyan pa rin. Na kung pag-selfie naman pag-uusapan natin, honestly, I'm quite surprised din sa selfie shot na nakuha ko dito. Though, there are some angles na medyo soft out konti. Pero maganda ang pagka-capture niya. There's a lot of, pag tama ang lighting, magandang pagka-capture sa akin mukha. Full of details naman siya, no? Yung pati yung mga shadow niya, yung depth ng shadow niya, ang ganda rin ng pagkakuha. Here's another one of my favorite shot from the front-facing camera. And this is another one. Now, pagdating naman sa indoor, basta magandang yung lighting, you'll be able to get, well, quite same shot na nakuha mo from outdoor. Very nice and sharp. Kung medyo madilim and low light, expect mo magsasuffer ng konti, magiging softer ang iyong mukha. Now, if you're using the front-facing camera to take this vlog, honestly, I was quite surprised how very stable siya. Though, makita mo, no, medyo parang nagfo-focus-han siya ng konti, but it's still okay. But yung overall quality is still okay. Now, pag ginamit naman natin yung kanyang rear camera, not so bad. Very stable and very sharp ang video na ito. I like the resolution netong rear camera ng Camon 40 Pro 5G. Now, honestly, with a starting price point of $12,999, this is definitely a good phone to have for this 2025. Si Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G is a 5G capable na phone. Meron ka Sony LYT na 700C na sensor. It comes with Tecno na AI. It has a good display and a decent gaming experience. Plus, for me, bonus na rin ang kanyang curved screen. Kaya guys, ano tingin nyo? Would you buy the Tecno Camon 40 Pro 5G? Let me know in the comments. And kung gusto nyo malaman kung saan nyo pwede ito mabili, I'll link everything on the description box below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it to your friends. And a quick sub is definitely awesome. I'll see you in my next video. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.